Hi, Charlie from Chadwick Optical here. Today we're going to talk about ADAVI. ADAVI is Affordable Device Attachment for the Visually Impaired. Why am I standing next to a 3D printer? Because ADAVI is more than an affordable device attachment for the visually impaired. It's an idea and something that we can mold in so many different directions, and we are just now starting to explore what those directions are. So this is 3D printing filament. What happens is this stuff melts, it goes onto a bed on the 3D printer, and voila, you can print whatever the heck you want. But to print whatever the heck you want, you need computer-aided design. That's CAD. And not just anybody knows how to use CAD. CAD's very complicated to use and very complicated to learn, which is why we need a SAM. Sam is our engineer who is amazing at CAD and amazing at product design, and he has helped us every step of the way in developing ADAVI. From there, we need a prism. Prism is basically the magic that makes all of the optical world go round. But this particular prism is called a half-penta prism. And what a half-penta prism does is it bends light 45 degrees. Let's talk about why that might be useful. This is a phone, and a phone has a camera that goes straight out. If you want to read something that is sitting on a table, you need to hover over it, which is a little bit tedious depending on everything. So what we're able to do is, by getting an appropriate phone case for the phone, 3D printing an attachment, putting a prism into that attachment, and you don't have to do this at home, we do it for you. So the prism then goes and mounts onto the phone. And with that, you now have a video magnifier. You have turned your phone into a video magnifier that will read the text that is sitting directly below it. And what's cool is that phones keep getting better and better, and all we need to do is supply this prism and print this plastic. So the phone keeps getting better and better. The last 5 generations, 6 generations, a lot of generations of iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones have had a special camera that allows for close-up zoom. So by utilizing the close-up zoom camera plus the ADAVI, it just works with built-in apps. For some low vision folks, they prefer different apps. We are trying to work with different app developers to choose that proper close-up zoom camera. So right now for the iPhone, it works with the Magnifier app, which is a built-in app. We are working with other app developers to try to get them to use that camera. And for Android, the Galaxy phones have a special camera. That camera and the app, there's an app called Visor, and that app is wonderful for low vision. So all of those things together create ADAVI. And that's why I'm saying ADAVI is more an idea than it is a specific product, because the specific product will differ from phone to phone. The shape of this might differ depending on what cases we use. And what we're trying to do is find a case library that will work for all of the different phones. But things change over time. One of the things that we're exploring is, hey, can we get heavier duty cases, like something that can fit an OtterBox or something like that. So ADAVI is just at the beginning, but we see so much potential, so much excitement. And if you want to get on the mailing list and tell us what phone you have and tell us what you would like to see about it, go to adavibychadwick.com, which is the website that we've set up to get your inquiries so that we can make the product better and continually make it better. Thanks.